The third largest city in Italy, the birthplace of pizza, the home of Mount Vesuvius, city with more than 450 churches, Europe's largest old town. This is how you can describe Naples. Although recent decades the reputation of the city is not the best, it has been nicknamed as murder capital of Europe and considered as being Italy's most dangerous city. The city is very charismatic and reminds everyone of its glory in the past. A city is receiving hundreds of visitors each year, and according to recent reports, the city has improved its safety measures. Even metro ticket machines are warning about risk of pickpockets. Despite safety concerns, it is well developed, cheap and fast way to explore the city. Every metro station is a piece of art. You will not find the same interior in any of them. Naples Metro is not only transportation hub, but also a tourist attraction, and metro stations tour must be included in everyone's itinerary. While walking on the streets, you can easily notice that the city is obsessed with football legend Diego Maradona, who had played here from 1984 till 1992 and reached the peak of his professional career. In Spanish Quarter you can find Murales Maradona, paintings on the wall of the building. This place has become a place of pilgrimage for fans of Maradona. The love between Naples and Diego Maradona was a special bond that transcended football. Maradona's impact on the club and the city of Naples is still felt today, and his memory will forever be etched in the hearts of Napoli fans around the world. Another legend of the city is Mount Vesuvius, the one of the most dangerous volcanoes in the world, famous for its eruption in 79 AD, which buried the ancient cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum alive. One of the best panoramas of the volcano can be seen from Belvedere San Martino. You can get there by funiculair. Belvedere San Antonio is another amazing viewpoint of Mount Vesuvius, probably the best spot to meet the sunset. Local tradition is hanging laundry on the ropes on the street. Humidity in the city is high, and many houses are not even getting sunlight, and this is the only way to get them dry. Must-visit place is Piazza del Plebiscito, which means Square of the People. It is the largest square of Naples. The two celebrities of the square are Naples' Royal Palace and the Church of San Francesco di Paola. 10 minutes walk away from the Square of the People you will find Castel Dell'Ovo, which translates as Egg Castle. It is the oldest castle and one of the oldest buildings in the city. One of the legend is that the Roman poet Virgil placed an egg in the foundation of the castle. Should the egg break, the castle would perish together with the city of Naples. The castle is still standing, so that would mean the egg is still whole. There is little left of the original castle, but the view from the castle makes this place worth a visit.